Hey there, it's Bootsowen here. It's very windy at the moment, so excuse the noise, but I've got an important update. Right now, out in the yard, I've got 5 washing machines. So let's go through them one by one and I'll talk through my plans. I'm going to get smashing this afternoon, so we've got a bit of sunshine here and everything's wired up and ready to go. I'll tell you what the plans are, and then over the next few weeks, hopefully as I process videos, we'll have some ultimate washing machine destruction. Starting off here, this is a Indesit washing machine, W133. I've got it hot wired straight to the mains for maximum speed. I've removed the ballast, it's up here, and the plan is to throw that ballast into this machine over here. This one is an Amica AWI 510 LP. It's hot wired straight to the mains for maximum destruction, and the ballast from this one is up here. And this ballast is going to go into the Indesit. I thought that was a really good idea. Someone suggested it in the comments. If you've got any other suggestions to put in the comments of what I should do, write them down. This is a Bosch washing machine. It's just stripped for parts. It had a motor problem. There was nothing I was able to do to save it because the motor wouldn't work, and so I can't use it for destruction. Don't know what I'm going to do with it other than scrap it, strip some parts out of it, and that's a bit of a shame because I'd like to see that one. It's one of the more modern Bosches with the plastic tub, and I suspect it would fail with a brick in it quite well. That's just how it goes. So then back over here beside the Indesit, we've got this one. This is a Dyson CR01 washing machine, contra rotator, very rare, about nearly 20 years old. It's got a fault. Contra rotator doesn't work, and the computer couldn't understand that, and so as a washing machine it just wouldn't work. So I managed to take it apart, free up the drum inside. It's got 2 motors. Check out my other videos because you'll see all this in the other videos. It's got 2 motors powering this because it's extra heavy. I've got them both wired up for maximum destruction, so that should be, well, anything could happen, but I'm hoping it'll be an extra good smash. So there's 3 machines to smash. 1, 2, 3. Bosch isn't going to smash. And then over here is the Hotpoint Aquarius WMA50. This one's been sitting out for a while. I haven't done anything with it. I think my suspicion is that it just works. Don't know what could be wrong with it, but I was going to do a few test washes with that. Really cheapsy door there. Oh man, that's really cheapsy. Yikes. So the plan for that was to just put some laundry in it and give it a spin. Maybe do a will it wash series? Don't know. Hard to say what I'll do with that. It's the afternoon now. I'm going to start with this double smash video, double ballast, double smash. Make some footage and upload it over the next few weeks, I'd say. I've got a lot of videos queued already, so I'm going to mix this in with them. So just stay tuned to the channel. If you like my videos, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon is what I've been told to do. But if you don't like all my videos and you just like washing machine destruction, or you just like washing machine wiring videos, then hit the playlist for those videos. So I've got a washing machine destruction playlist, I've got a how to wire washing machine motors playlist, I've got a lawnmowers playlist, I've got probably 50 playlists, and if you're only interested in the things that are in the playlists, then just put your name, or not put your name, but subscribe to the playlist only. That way, if the playlist changes and you've hit the bell icon, you'll find out if there's a new video in that playlist, even if I've unlisted it. So if I put all these videos up tonight, which I might well do, or maybe tomorrow, you'll get to see them before anybody else. So check out the playlists, subscribe to the playlists, always subscribe to the channel as well, hit the bell icon on the playlist, and that way you'll be able to see the videos before anyone else. And put loads of comments in and tell me what you think I should do in the future. I keep finding these washing machines. I don't seem to be able to escape. They keep coming to me, and I keep taking them. The other thing I've got here while I'm talking, in the garage, if you're into lawnmowers, I've got an Allen scythe. What an epic piece of engineering. No safety features at all. Slice your fingers straight off. I've just sharpened up this blade. Don't know if that'll be in a video, but I'm going to go cutting grass with it next week, hopefully. Brought more, but what I was going to talk about is this tumble dryer. This is a CTD 00 Hotpoint Aquarius. I've already got a video on the playlist about this one and some general maintenance on it, but if you want me to smash it in any particular way, or just to put anything interesting in it and do regular loads on it, let me know. I think it works fine. It's just missing this door, which means I can't really sell it, which is a shame, but that's how things go around here. Yeah, I think everything on that works. I might have a look in the back to see if it's been on fire or if it's going to go on fire. Apart from that, I'm out of ideas. So there we go. I think I'm going to go straight for some destruction. Stay tuned, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you later.